I'm in Patterson for the early bird road race. Going to be signing up for the 55 plus. Okay, got my number. You want to check, make sure your number matches the category you're racing in. It's good. 8 pins through the paper. The 45-45 group coming out. It's the last race of the day, 44-mile road race, out and back. Pretty much the race is determined up on the hill. Neutral rollout for the first mile or so. The last race of the day, so nobody will be passing us from behind. Last one. This is the first time I'll be racing with the 1, 2, and 3. Don't know how this race is going to go. Might split apart before we hit the hills. See what happens. There's about 21 riders in this group. One guy already flatted at the start line. Pace is picking up quite early in the race. Here's the finish line. 200 meters. 4 miles in. We got one guy off the front. Temperature's in about the low 50s. Might be a couple cows loose, mile 6. The guy that took off the front has about a 15-second gap for me. On mile 6, looking out for the cow. Right behind has the lead up 25 seconds. This gap is shrinking down to 15 seconds. We're catching up to him. Okay, the group caught back up to him. We're all together. Okay, my mistake. The guy off the front is still off the front. Just caught up to the guy who dropped back to his group from the flat. Not sure if the rest of the group realizes that, but anyway, we're going a lot slower. First guys just came back the other way. Yeah, those are fast for me. Miles getting dropped. Settled down, yeah. 18 miles in, barely hanging on. Much faster. Miles. Flat. 20.4 miles in. There's the arrow. This marks the start of the climb. Got nothing left. 1, 2, 3 is just too fast for me. Okay. I think they're the 45 liters. Turn around. Nice. 22 miles. Try to hop on these guys, get right back. riding with these three guys back to the start line. What race you want to plug?
Off the Front Omnium. 3 days, 4 races, March 20 and 22nd.
Where's it at?
Fresno Hanford area.
Okay.
Some unusual courses, including a 26-kilometer flat time trial.
Okay, check it out. Okay, the Masters 1, 2, 3. Sorry, can't make this too much. At least I gave it a try. The running of the bulls. Whoa. Two of them. Look like babies. Meter mark coming up. Hours, 13 minutes, 42 miles, 18.8 average. Thanks for exchanging polls.
Yeah, no, it's good.
Made it more interesting. Okay, riding back to the start, and here's the what, Cat 4 women's winner. I mean, second place. Second place. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. Good first race of the season and ever.
Awesome. First place winner on a race. Congratulations.
Off the front. Stanley, 16th. You'll improve.
Thanks. Good job, man. 45.
Cat 4, 4 5s.
The winner. Good job.
Thank you. Off the front.
Okay, so what's the name of your race?
Off the Front Omnium. 3 days, 4 races.
Okay.
Next year we're going to add a road race. It will be, some of the categories are going to be a stage race.
And what's the date?
March 20th to 22nd.
Okay. Be there.
Be there or be square.
Early bird road race over. I had lots of high hopes coming into this race. Got a PR and a New Year's Day hill climb. Put on 2 new tires. But the speed of the category 1, 2, 3 was just too fast for me.